You know, one of the cool benefits that our clients at Tilt Property Group get to take advantage of with us is that we're paying attention. And what that allows us to do is gather information and get that and report back to you guys everything that's going on almost up to the minute as to what's happening in this market to really help you out. And what's cool about what we get to do at the office is we're taking a look at not just what's happening in the realty side. Of course, I know that's the area that I back up, but we also take a look at what's going on in the rental side. And of course, they're all relative. And oftentimes, what we can see happening in the rental side, we will often see trend into the real estate side and we'll be able to sort of get a snapshot of what's happening. And so, some of the trends that we're seeing right now compared to last year. Number one is at the office on the rental side. As you guys know, we manage hundreds of properties. I don't know how many, but it's a lot. And what we're noticing is that our at the office, our call volume is up, and it's up 25% compared to this time last year. Another very cool thing is rents are up. Finally, we're raising rents. They're up 5 to 10%. We're also noticing, fewer incentives needing to be offered, half month free rent or this or that. That's not needed as much in a stronger market, and so that's starting to go away. The last thing on the rental side that we're seeing that's really cool is we're seeing a lower rate of lease termination. So a lot of our residents are choosing to stay. They love the accommodations, they love the homes that are being offered, and obviously rents are strong, and so people are sticking around, and that's awesome. On the real estate side, I know that I mentioned this last week, but the days on market continue to fall. They're down from 66 days on market to 55 days on market, and that just lets us know that inventory is moving, especially good inventory. I believe that that's going to translate into a stronger spring than maybe most are thinking. I've got some certain price ranges and property styles and types that I think are going to be stronger than others. But at the end of the day, I think it's going to be really strong, the market, the spring market. And so, as I was saying, it's important to follow what's going on, not just in the real estate side, but the rental world. The rental world tells us so much about what's going on. Of course, I've always talked about the bank rules. We've got the rental stats, we've got the real estate stats, and so when we watch these things and study the trends, we're able to get you some really current and powerful information so that you guys can understand what's going on in the market moving forward. And so right now, Edmonton is certainly on the upswing. The arrow's starting to point up, I think, and lots of good things are coming. And so I'm not sure it's on a rebound, but certainly starting to show some recovery and some health in the market, nice and balanced. Time will tell before we see what goes on let's say the next 6 to 12 months. But as you guys know, we're going to be all over it, and we'll have some fun getting that information to you. If you guys want some more information about this, just give us a call at the office, 780-443-1161. Of course, at any time you can send us an email, info@tiltgroup.ca. And of course, you can follow us on our social media, which you probably already are, at Tilt Properties. And in the meantime, have an awesome Easter. I hope you guys are all having a great weekend, and we'll talk to you very soon. Take care.